Hello, this is a deep relaxation meditation, wonderful for calming and relaxing your entire body and mind. Please find a position, either lying or sitting down, that's most comfortable for you. Feel free to move and to correct any discomfort in your body's position at any time as the meditation continues. We're going to start by relaxing the body. So let's begin by taking some deep breaths. The breathing technique we'll be using is to breathe in slowly through the nose, first filling the lower part of your lungs, then let your breath fill all the way up into the area around your rib cage, and finally fill the upper part of your lungs up, in, and around your shoulders with healing oxygen. So when we inhale, we guide the breath first to the lower belly, then the rib cage, and then the shoulder area, filling our lungs to capacity. When we exhale, we're going to exhale through the mouth, first releasing the air from the upper part of our lungs, and then from the rib cage area, and finally from the abdomen. Let's take some deep breaths together now. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue now to breathe deeply and slowly, and let your breath take on its own natural, deep rhythm. Now imagine that your breath will go wherever you guide it, bringing soothing, relaxation, and healing to any location in the body that you focus on. So we'll begin now by slowly breathing into the soles of our feet. Really guide your breath into the soles of your feet. Relax them. Breathe into your ankles. Relax them. Breathe into your calves. Relax. Breathe into all the muscles between your calves and your knees. Relax them. Breathe into your knees. Relax. Breathe into your thigh muscles. Relax. Breathe into your buttocks and your pelvis area. Relax. Breathe into the base of your spine. Relax. Breathe into your lower abdomen, your belly button. Relax. Breathe into your lower vertebrae and relax them. Breathe into the lower internal organs of your stomach. Relax. Let's bring the healing oxygen into our rib cage. Relax. Breathe into your heart area. Relax. Now let's breathe into our fingers, bringing comfort and calm to them. Relax. Breathe into the palms of your hands. Relax. Breathe into your biceps. Relax them. Your elbows. Relax. Your triceps. Relax. And now, breathe into your shoulders. Let all the tension go from your shoulders. Breathe into the back of your neck. And with each release of the breath, imagine you're saying goodbye to the unwanted tensions as you exhale them from your body. Breathing in refreshing, clean energy, send your breath into your throat now. Relax. Breathe into your jaw and let it hang loosely. Breathe into your cheekbones. Let go. Breathe into your eyes. Relax them. Breathe into your forehead. Let go of all the tension. Your ears. Let go. Your scalp. Relax. Your hair follicles. Let them breathe. Now let's take a very deep breath. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue to breathe now at your own pace for the next few minutes. Really let the peace of this deep breathing you've been doing soothe your mind and body. If thoughts come in that distract you, don't worry or judge them. Just refocus your attention on your healing, deep, slow breathing.